unboxing and setting up the VIZIO M-Series 5.1 soundbar. Let's get started. First, lay the box on its side and locate each of the pull tabs marked open alongside the edges. Using a knife or box cutter, cut off the tape portion and slide open each side of the tabs. Lift the side flap of the packaging. Locate the accessories box and remove from the packaging. Remove the foam piece above the subwoofer. Be sure to review the quick setup sheet for both simple and advanced setup options before getting started. Next, lift the subwoofer out and remove the protective cover. Then, lift the soundbar out and remove the protective cover as well. Next, lift the individual low-profile surround speakers out and remove the protective cover. The VIZIO M-Series 5.1 soundbar comes with a 36-inch soundbar, a wireless subwoofer, and 2 volume-adjustable surround speakers for a fully immersive surround sound experience. Your accessories box provides all the cables and accessories you need to get set up in minutes. Included accessories are a user manual, HDMI cable, digital optical cable, 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable, stereo RCA to 3.5mm audio cable, power cable, subwoofer power cable, 2 surround speaker audio cables, wall mounting brackets, wall mounting template, cable ties, and a remote control. Let's set up your soundbar to your TV. Position the soundbar underneath your TV. Make sure the soundbar is close to ear level. Remove the sticker from the back of the soundbar to reveal the power connector. Next, connect the power cable to the soundbar and the other end to a power outlet. Once the power cable is plugged in, the soundbar will automatically begin searching for an active input. The multicolored LED indicators on the left front of the soundbar will begin cycling through inputs until an audio source is detected. For the best audio experience, use the included HDMI cable to connect your soundbar to the HDMI ARC port on your TV. This also allows you to control your soundbar with your TV remote. After the HDMI is connected, your soundbar should automatically be detected and the multicolored LED indicators on your soundbar will stop cycling. If your TV does not have an HDMI ARC port, we recommend using the digital optical cable for the next best quality connection. Now, connect the power cable to the subwoofer and the other end into a power outlet. The subwoofer will power on and automatically link to the soundbar. The LED light on the back of the subwoofer will glow solid from the connection. Connect the surround speakers to the subwoofer using the included color-coded surround speaker audio cables. The blue cable plugs into the left surround speaker and the subwoofer. The gray cable plugs into the right surround speaker and the subwoofer. For optimal immersive sound experience, place the surround speakers behind you on either side at ear level. However, if your space is limited, VIZIO offers Front Surround Mode, where you can position your speakers to the left and right of your soundbar for a virtualized 5.1 immersive experience. Your VIZIO M-Series 5.1 soundbar with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X should now be set up and ready to play your favorite content. If you're not hearing audio, confirm the soundbar input is set to HDMI eARC, or whichever connection you chose during setup. Please refer to the included user manual for further instructions. Enjoy your all-new